it doesn't matter how confident you are as a person, your looks or how you think you look really does have a direct impact on how comfortable you feel having a photo taken or anything like that. So, and I think that's true for everyone. And I think your teeth are a really important part of that. And I think people do get to the point where they're trying to hide the smile or they're just feeling a little bit self-conscious, and I think that's a shame. I had quite a few gaps at the front and I had really big gaps at the side where I just had missing teeth. I saw one photo one day and I could really see the gap, and I just thought I need to sort that out. I wanted to know about whether implants were a solution for that for me, but I'd also started getting gaps in between my front teeth. So I was exploring whether I needed Invisalign or what was the best thing for me to invest in to get the best return. I was made to feel very comfortable. I was given a lot of information. I was put at ease, which was quite important for me because I was terrified of the dentist, absolutely terrified. Before I started this treatment, I was really, really scared. Now I'm a lot more confident to get treatment and I need a lot less medication. I had sedation for the first implants, and the second time I didn't have it because I was just feeling more confident that it wasn't going to be super painful, because it really wasn't. I maybe got so behind with my dental care because I kept putting off going to the dentist. I was worried about literally everything. I was worried about pain, it going wrong, it not looking right. So basically everything. I was a nervous wreck. I just wanted to do it so much that I felt that the value would outweigh the investment. I was quite relieved actually that it was a longer process because I thought, oh, it's baby steps. So I could see the stages. I had some like horrendous image in my mind, like I was coming in and get my teeth ripped out, put new things in, and I was like, oh my God, I can't cope with that. So I liked the fact it was in clear stages so that I knew exactly what was happening at what point, so I didn't feel too overwhelmed. Oh, it was really surprisingly easy. I had 2 implants done, one at the top, one at the bottom here, and then I waited a year, and then I had 2 up here. I had sedation for the first implant. That obviously really helped calm me down, and I didn't even realise what was happening. I thought I'd been in there 15 minutes, and I'd been in there a lot longer. It was great. The second time round, I was like, yeah, just do it. Do I need sedation? And Dr. Glassford was like, no, you can do it. So I was like, right, I'll just do it. The second time round felt like a breeze. There is an element of worry that something's going to go wrong, or if you get a bit of bleeding and you panic, and I did the first time, and I just called up and they were like, don't worry, it's fine. If it continues and you want to come in, just come in. As it went on, I just felt more and more reassured that it was going to be fine. And even over Christmas, when my second treatment kind of went over the Christmas period, Dr. Glassford gave me his mobile so that if anything went wrong, I could give him a call, which really reassured me as well. I just felt looked after is probably the right phrase. I had composite bonding at the front, which was a couple of hours and instant gratification, because as soon as I looked in the mirror, I was like, I can't believe this. And that was the treatment really that when I went out, everyone was saying, oh my God, your teeth look amazing. Whereas the implants, not quite so much, because people didn't notice the gaps as much as I did, unless they were like really close to me. But for composite bonding, it was instant. My mother immediately said, your teeth look amazing. I was like, I know, I wish I'd done this years ago. Luckily, I didn't need the Invisalign, so it was really quick just to have just instant results. He held the mirror up and I was like, that's not my mouth. That's not my smile. And he was like, yes, it is. That was the best money I've ever spent. I feel like it's been an amazing investment for me. It's not an exaggeration to say every day I'm glad that I've had it done. It's not just about cosmetics for me. I can chew much better my food because I've gone so many years without being able to. Just from eating, I can eat more things than I could before. So it's a daily benefit. And I assure people it's not as painful as you think it's going to be. It's sort of disruptive as you think it's going to be. And it's worth it a million times over. It's worth missing 2 holidays for.